express a welcome to Fayette County chapter, the James Waldrop chapter of the Daughters of American Revolution, the DAR. This is Constitution Week, and we are celebrating with a proclamation. I'd like to read it at this time. This is the Constitution Week proclamation. Whereas September the 17th, 2007 marks the 220th anniversary of the drafting of the Constitution of the United States of America by the Continental Convention. Whereas it is fitting and proper to accord official recognition to the magnificent document and its memorable anniversary, and to the patriotic celebration which will commemorate the occasion. And whereas members of the James Waldrop chapter, Daughters of the American Revolution, of the city of Fayetteville, of the state of Georgia, strive to achieve the goals of the National Society, Daughters of the American Revolution, in promoting patriotism, preserving American history, educating Americans young and old, and in serving America and her veterans, past and present. And whereas Public Law 915 guarantees the issuing of a proclamation each year by the President of the United States of America, designating September 17th through September the 23rd as Constitution Week. Now, therefore, I, Jack Smith, by virtue of the authority vested in me as Chairman of the Board of Commissioners of Fayette County, Georgia, hereby proclaim the week September 17th through 23rd as Constitution Week, and ask our citizens to reaffirm the ideals of the framers of the Constitution had in 1787 by vigilantly protecting the freedoms guaranteed to us through this guardian of our liberties, remembering that lost rights may never be regained. Thank you.